What's going on, guys? George here, and welcome to a Mythic only video. Uh, I am Brutus, and Eminem has took my Grotto. I am going to take it back by beating the shit out of him, making him join my team, and winning with his minigun only. Yes, and it's definitely not because I don't have an Eminem skin. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below what your favorite mythic in this season is, and let's roll the first game. It is time for Big Boy Brutus to reclaim his homeland, the Grotto. It has been taken by this Eminem. I don't care how many attempts it will take. Big Boy Brutus will take his minigun and win the game only with it. I don't know how that turned into like a kind of Trump impression. But welcome to the Mythic Minigun Only Challenge. I don't own an Eminem skin, so we're altering the story a bit. Brutus is reclaiming his homeland, the Grotto, and to do so he must kill Eminem and use his gun to win the game. That is how Big Boy Brutus gets his homeland back. I can't use any guns to kill other players, so with this being a hot drop, it's about to get insane. Okay, let's scan. RPGs, by the way. Alright, let me... What's up there? Fuck. Oh my god! I just got fucking lasered. Damn. Alright, we gotta... Sorry, I didn't talk about that entire thing. We gotta drop everything. I gotta loot this quick, get healed, and then probably dip, honestly. Oh yeah, gold spads, bro. Eminem, I know I'm kind of trying to overtake you and get my home back, but please protect me. Now let us leave the grotto. We have our minigun. We showed Eminem that he is a little bit compared to Brutus. But now I don't want to be here anymore because this place is too crowded. I'll go get kills somewhere else. Oh my goodness. No, I think it's AI. Thanks for the light ammo, man. I needed it. I just got fucking sniped by a Grace. By a Grip G-Skin too, god. Oh, well, I'm dead. I could have actually pickaxed him, funny enough. Fuck! There he is. Alright, we got the minigun. Let's fight him. Nice, we got 2 kills, totally real players. Jesus, no, my car. Yeah. Take that. No, this guy on a boat. Let's go. No. There we go. Get beamed, buddy. Oh, holy shit. That guy's dead. I saw one. Oh, yeah, I guess he sniped that guy. Oh no. Oh my goodness. I thought that guy was gonna be friendly for a second, then he just turned on me, bro. Got 10 kills, which is nice. That's kind of where I want to be in these mythic only videos. 10 kill wins. So hopefully we can win the game now. That's all I want. So I'm not messing with that. I'm not messing with that. You have a grab refresh. We are going to box all that shit up. Oh my goodness, my guy. I should probably pop this jug. Hopefully no one's aiming a sniper at me. I don't know where my fucking car went. This is the last guy too, funny enough. He has a grenade launcher, dude. Oh my goodness. Man, I'm really hoping I pull zone. Oh. Those are gonna explode before they hit me. I'm not gonna hit her from there, but that's why I'm conserving my ammo. Okay, well. I'll take your side. How about that? Yes, let's go. That was the Brutus takes back the Grotto challenge. Minigun only, motherfuckers. I think what? I got a shit ton of kills. Let's go. If you enjoyed it, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. It's been G5 Plays. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.